Exercise 2. Wiring 2 light bulbs to one gang switch. The objective is to turn on the two lights by using a one gang switch. So when you press this button, the two lights must be on at the same time. The required materials are the same as before, except we've added one more light bulb and holder. Okay, let's move to procedures. Because we need the two lights to work at the same time, therefore we have to make what's called loop. So make a loop as shown between the two holders and be sure to tighten the screws in the two sides very well. Next, connect a phase wire from any holder. By default, choose the nearest one to L1 terminal as shown. Now we've finished phase wire, so we move to neutral wire. Do the same procedures as before, except the neutral wire will be connected to the main supply directly. Finally, connect the COM terminal to the main supply by using phase wire. Simply, when you press the switch button, the two lights will be on at the same time. Please pay attention. Please pay attention for this. We make a loop between lights, whether by phase wire or neutral wire, in order to avoid wasting much wire. By making a loop, we avoid to do what's shown in the figure. Is that clear? Okay, let's move. Notes to be considered. Number 1, please consider the safety first comments before trying any exercise. Number 2, when we turn on the switch, the two lights will turn on or will be on at the same time. Okay, number 3, because there's no end terminals in the light switch, we connect the neutral wire directly to the main supply. Number 4, always be sure that your connections are tightened enough and there's no any losing. That's it. Okay, see you in the next exercise. Good luck.